What is up, everyone? I got a cool video for you today. I have some LEDs from Lasfit to install on my 25 Elantra N. As you know, these lights from the factory leave a little bit to be desired. They're not as bright as they could be, and the reverse lights are super yellow. So come along with me today as I show you how I install them. So let's start on the turn signals. In order to get to them, we're going to pop the trunk, and we're going to have to remove the entire tail light. It shouldn't be too bad. So I'm grabbing this, I'm gonna pull kind of hard to remove it. And then I'll be removing these two 10mm bolts. So I don't scratch the paint, I'm gonna slide a microfiber in this gap and kind of wedge it in. I really got a lot of help by pulling under and pulling towards me. So I'm gonna twist it counterclockwise to unlock. I just gently pushed in and twisted to release the bulb. Here is the difference between the LED Lasfit bulb and the original incandescent style. As you can see, the Lasfit has some really cool designs to it. You can see all the LEDs. And this has a nice weight. It has a really good quality feel. Put the cover back on. I'll put this side on first. All right, guys, the next thing we're gonna do is get to the reverse lights. In order to get to them, we're gonna take off this cover. I have an interior trim tool. You can use that or a flathead to take these tabs off. I'm getting right in between the base and the top and popping them up. Now we have access to the trunk. I'm going to remove this, and these as well. This was loose from the factory. That's absolutely insane. But let's get to removing these. You can use the same 10mm socket you used before, but I have an electric ratchet. This is gonna make the job much quicker. And none of these are really even tight, just very hand tight. Next thing we're gonna do is pop these tabs and release the reverse light. I am pinching and pushing up at the same time. Let's undo these clips. I'm just pushing down on the white piece and pulling down. Guys, now we're on the back side of the tail lamp assembly. Here is where our reverse bulb is. It'll be a lot easier to get to it if you remove that wiring from the clip, and these just twist in and twist out. So I twisted left in order to release the bulb. And here it is. I'm just gonna pull it out. And let's compare it to the Lasfit bulb.
As you can see, just sheer size, the Lasfit bulb is much bigger. I assume it's going to be much brighter, of course, because it is a very bright bulb. I'm going to just put it straight back in the way it came and seat it firmly.
Just a heads up, these bulbs are directional, meaning that it does matter which way you plug them in. I suggest before putting everything back together, testing them to make sure they fit and turn on.
And twist right to lock it into place. And I'll put the wiring back in.
Okay, let's gently put the light bar back in. I'm going to line up all of the prongs. Now I'm going to put everything back together, basically the reverse of how we took it out. So first thing I'll do is put the clips in. We're going to start hand threading the 10mm nuts back on to the studs. Let's put the trunk liner back on the car. Make sure the tabs are popped out and push them in and push till it clicks. Okay, everything is snugged back up. No gaps or anything. Let's shut the trunk. Now let's see how these reverse lights look.
All right, guys, here are the factory license plate lights. As you can see, they are yucky and yellow and do not make the rear end of this car look modern. It has a really modern LED light bar and yellow light. So let's get these swapped out for some nice LEDs. In order to release the assembly, I'm using a plastic pry tool to give some leverage, and I'm using a screwdriver to push on the release tab. These two together allowed the assembly to come out pretty easy. I tried a few different methods, and this was the best one I found. In order to get the bulb out, I undid the gray clip by pressing down and pulling out, and there is a bulb holder inside of the assembly. It's just a twist off, and then you will see you have access to the bulb. And with the Lasfit LT10, and I'm going to insert it into the license plate socket and twist it back on. Now I'll make sure that these clips go in first. And make sure it clicks in and is secure. Okay guys, here are the updated tail lamps. They look much more modern, much more crisp, and it brings this rear end back into the 21st century like it should be. So thank you guys for watching. In my opinion, this is a must-do mod if you have an Elantra N. So hopefully I helped you out. Shout out to Lasfit for sending these lights out for me to install for you guys. And subscribe if you are into this kind of stuff, or if you have an Elantra N, you are interested in doing mods and kind of learning more about these cars. Peace out.